So the first thing that we'll tackle is about addition and subtraction. Subtraction. Malamang, you met this before or nagawa nyo na ang mga ito while you were learning sa college, no? So, among you here is a college graduate. For sure, si Mark Allen is si college graduate. Si Lingdan, newly graduated dito. And also Bernadine. Lahat pala kayo dito is college graduate, no? So, we go with addition and subtraction. Ano na ang mga tricks na ginagawa dito using the rounding and compensation method? Ito yung magandang example. 68 plus 47. Mentally, you could actually solve this one. Usually, ang ginagawa ng iba dyan, rina-round off nila kaagad to the nearest number. In this case, in this scenario, ang ginawa nila, rinound off nila yung 50. And you could easily solve. That is 118. Then subtract yung inad mo naman na number. So, that is 115. Sa CS examination naman, bubulabugin ka dyan. They will give you bigger numbers like 1998 plus 178. Pagtingin mo pa lang dyan, if you are to compute, use the longer route, malamang malalagasan ka ng oras. The best way actually is to round it off the 2,000. You add 178, then deduct, subtract 2. This is the rounding and compensation technique. In the examinations, bigyan kanila ng mga malalaki na numbers, but you could immediately solve that even without using your scratch paper or your pen mentally. The first technique is to round off the number. Sabihin natin, in the second example, it is 1,998. I-round off mo siya ng 2,000. Then, i-add mo yung 178. That is 2,178. And do not forget to subtract yung na-add mo na number. So, that in that case, it is 2. So, 1,998 plus 178 is 2,176. What is the secret there? Practice this mentally. Practice mo lang ito mentally. Sa una siguro talagang mahihirapan ka. But in the long run, it will help you. Pag na-practice mo na ito or kabisado mo na ito mentally. The other example is 250 naman. Ito na naman sa you do not subtract but you add. 250 minus 98. Most usually, yung ibibigay sa inyo, these are awkward numbers. Yung hindi madali i-solve. So, 250 minus 98. Ang technique naman dyan is baliktad naman. 250 minus 100. I-round mo yung 98 into 100. You come up with 150. Then you add 2. You could do it mentally. You could actually practice this one. Ito naman, very awkward. 1789 minus 96. The best technique is 1,789 minus 100. That is 1,689. Then you just add 4. That makes it 1,693. Yan na naman ang technique dyan pag ang nilagay dyan is subtraction. That is a very, very good example pag ang nilagay naman dyan ay subtraction. That is the technique for the rounding off. Use rounding and compensation or use rounding and subtraction. Depende naman sa situation. So, you could actually use this in any random numbers. Kahit na ano na number na you think about it, the best way actually to do it is to take practice much as possible daily. Magpa-practice ka para ma-perfect mo ang technique na ito.